So this is the 4-7 suggested assignment posted on Edmodo, number 1. Basically, it says solve each triangle round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So the first thing I notice is that I'm only missing one angle, so I'm going to go ahead and find that the easy way. Angle A equals 180 minus 110 minus 38. So 32 degrees. And from there, I'm trying to find the sides A and B. So I'm going to go ahead and start with side A. And I'm going to use the sine rule to solve for it. So I need A over sine, and then you put it over angle A. You put it over the opposite one. So in this case, sine of 32 equals, and then you need to use a pairing that you have both the side and the angle. So in this case, I'll use 13 over sine 38. Basically right here I'm dividing by sine 32, so to get rid of sine 32 I need to do the opposite of divide, which is to multiply. So I'm going to multiply it right here, sine 32, and basically that'll give me A. So I'm just going to use the calculator to set that up. Hopefully you can see it there. Move it down so the lighting's a little better. So basically I'm setting up a fraction, 13 on top, sine 38 on the bottom. Now I just noticed actually my calculator's in the wrong mode. This is a little r. So you need to make sure that you do shift mode and then pick degrees to solve these questions properly. Alright, so then make sure you're up off the fraction times sine of 32. And all my brackets are properly closed. And I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, so I'm going to put 11.2. Okay. Alright, so then for side B, I'm going to basically do the same thing. I'm going to have B over sine of 110 equals, and I'm still going to use 13 and sine 38. And basically I want you to know that you could have used 11.2 and sine of 32, but because you rounded this one, it's a little bit less accurate than going back to one of the things they gave you originally in the problem. So it's best to always use something they gave you originally if you can. So from there, to solve this, I need to multiply by sine of 110. So B equals, and again I'm setting it up as a fraction. I'm actually just going to use what I already had in my calculator. I'm just going to change this one to be 110. And I'm rounding to the nearest tenth, so it'll be 19.8.